Hello everyone. My name is Himani. I have secured 82 rank in Odisha Civil Service Examination 2019 and got Odisha Financial Service. I want to extend my heartfelt thanks to Level Up team and Karandeep sir for their continuous guidance and mentorship. I have secured 391 marks in my Anthropology Optional and my paper 1 score, that is 206, was the second highest among all. Everything was possible due to Karandeep sir's guidance. Yes, it was my hard work, but it was sir's guidance that helped me to reach my goal. Thank you.